3. In this video, I'll show you how to set up SoFi Vaults. First, sign in to your SoFi account and open your checking and savings account. From the account dashboard, locate the Vault section and select the option to create a new vault. Next, click Create Vault and give your vault a name that matches your savings goal, such as an emergency fund, vacation, or new car. If you'd like, you can also set a target savings amount to help you track your progress over time. After that, choose how you want to fund your vault. You can transfer money into it immediately, or schedule recurring transfers to automatically build your savings. Review the transfer details, confirm the amount, and complete the setup. Now, return to the Vault section to verify that your new vault appears in your account. You can monitor your balance, update your savings goal, or move money between your available balance and your vault whenever you need. Finally, continue contributing to your vault regularly to stay on track with your savings goal. You can create multiple vaults for different purposes and manage them all from the same SoFi account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up SoFi Vaults. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.